Today, I am going.
We're just long. Left or right?
Hello. Today I wanted to film more in the morning, but then I got too lazy because it was way too early when I woke up. But today, I am going to the lake with one of my friends, Shelly, and we're going to do a little painting date. I asked her last night if she wanted to go with me because it's been really nice weather recently and the temperature has gotten super warm, so I'm trying to take advantage of that and be more productive rather than just staying inside. So today after work, we're just going to head over by the lake together and we're just going to do a little painting session. This is my outfit for today. I'm just wearing my Mofusan shirt that I got from Uniqlo, and then the necklace that I was putting on earlier. And then I'm wearing these longer or like mid-length skirts because it's super nice outside. It's a really nice material as well, and it's super flowy, so I know it's gonna keep me very circulated and I won't be drowning in the heat. And I'll be wearing my sweater too because I don't want to put on sunscreen, even though I should, but I'm too lazy for that now, so I'm just gonna do that, wear a hat, and call it a day. And here are my cat slippers. Where did you guys go? So pretty. So cute. But then I forgot. Over the years, I developed like a fear of water.
Nice to look at.
Yeah.
Nice to drink. Left or right?
For a while now, I've been wanting to try my hand at drawing scenery and nature because I've mainly been drawing people and objects that are within my proximity. And since the weather is starting to get warmer these days, I really wanted to head over to the lake and do something super artsy there. When we first got here, we spent a bit of time admiring the scenery and looking at the cute duckies in the water, because why wouldn't you want to look at cute animals? We ended up settling in a less crowded area because I didn't want the noise from the crowd to distract me and take away the peaceful feeling I had from the lake. There was also lots of shade where we ended up sitting, but I guess because of this, there wasn't as much warmth, and the wind didn't help either because we both were freezing our asses off.
It was more like a gift for them that I ended up mailing instead of giving at the concert.
Initially, I brought my sketchbook and my gouache paint. Gouache. I don't know how to say that. But I brought all of those to use again after practically leaving the paint there for 4 years now. But spoiler alert, I did not end up using it. My paint dried up really badly, and I figured that perhaps I could dump warm water and it would be good to go, but once again, I was very wrong for assuming that. But anyways, look how nice the view is. I was running on one brain cell that day because I genuinely thought wearing a crop top with a skirt and a light sweater was gonna cut it, especially since I knew I was going to sit by the water as well. But at least my outfit was cute, and if I'm gonna suffer, I'm gonna look cute doing it.
You're like, every time I put on my
I should have.
You said girl. Okay. Well, what's your vibe? There are so many prompts I could think of. One person chooses one color and the other person chooses another color, and then you switch.
Oh my god, okay.
Wait.
Okay. I like where this is going.
Wait. Okay, bitch, but you have to do something.
Sorry, I got excited.
I just guarantee you that I don't know what I would do. I'm not that creative.
It's okay, that's how it sparks creativity. I'm gonna try that. Let's do that.
Okay, on the canvas or on your paper?
On the canvas, girl.
Okay.
I guess like every 3 minutes we just switch canvases.
Okay.
It can be whatever.
Oh, you said it could be whatever.
Let's
you wanna
prep everything first.
Okay, that was my next. These are just more specific colors that I thought were cute.
Matte.
Just creativity?
Yes! I said fuck it to the shoes.
You ready? Shit.
No.
No.
Okay, it's always the beginning that's hard.
Okay, 5, 4, 3,
Okay, let's see
2.
this.
Okay, she said go. Okay, go. Oh man, she's going shit.
Okay, this is not going.
It is going. Maybe maybe just not going.
It's going, but
It's just going.
not in the right direction.
Oh, we don't know that yet.
How cold are you? I've gotten used to it actually.
Oh, okay.
I should have watched Bob Ross's tutorial before this.
To paint landscapes.
Yeah. I don't know where.
Oh, there's a drone.
I'm like, is that a bug? I was going to. Girl, I was gonna jump in the lake.
Hi.
It sounded like some sort of bug. Oh my god. Girl, my heart dropped.
When you feel like it feels complete, then we stop. I feel like that's kind of bad subject. This is not complete.
Let's do like 2-3 more rounds.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go. No hesitation, just do it.
Just do it.
She has a really thick neck. Maybe this is why Sheridan rejected me.
Damn.
It's because, oh my god, it's a fucking pelican.
No, it's the vision. The vision's there, you know. Small steamboat, big swan.
Oh my god.
Okay. Scargo. What if I just?
Oh my god, Shelly. I kind of like it. Give it like a little bow.
Damn.
It'll be so cute. Give it like a bright pink
Here,
bow.
wait. Context. This and currently.
Comparison? Ah, it's so cute.
No, honestly, I also thought of it the other way around too. This way. That too.
Oh,
Yeah.
I see.
It could be anyway. Now, if I just fuck this up.
No, girl.
Okay, but you're ready.
I like how derpy it is.
Damn.
Girl.
Is that how swans sound like? What?
Oh my god. Girl, I can't do it.
You wanna move? We'll move after.
Oh my god.
No, okay. Yeah, we can go wait. I want to get my vision through.
Priorities.
I do. I do.
Oh, okay.
Wait, why are you also making a sound?
Shit. She's just a little dramatic. Okay, I'm just gonna.
Okay.
I'm gonna pack up.
Okay. Okay, we'll stop.
I'm sorry, it's either this or I jump in the water.
We can pack up.
Okay. Oh my god, I can't do this.
Probably late enough for them to come out now. Are we gonna use this again?
Probably not.
Relocate.
Let's get the fuck out of here. I'm